Welcome to my first video. My name is Madisonkelli, and I will be showing everyone how I braid my own hair. So let's jump right in. So I just got my hair. I'm about to take these down. I already cut them, but I'm gonna take it down, wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and braid it up again. I usually do knotless braids. I do it all myself, and yeah, I'm gonna just walk y'all through this process. So first, I usually just cut the braids up until my hair length. So my hair's kind of on the medium side. It's not like hella short, but it's not hella long either. So yeah, I've already cut them, and then I just unbraid them like so. So I did half my head so far, or I've taken half of my braids out, and then I have this half left. So I'm gonna just put this in a bun for now because it's looking a little crazy. So yeah, do that real quick. Made it to the last one, finally. This whole process it's like fine at first, and then I get annoyed because I'm like, I just want to be done taking it out. But last one, here we go. I find that like taking your time, taking your braids out, like limits how much hair falls out. Because like, you know, when I was little, like, I used to not care, and I used to just take them out all without caring, and I'd get like clumps of hair. But now it's like I can run my hands through, and like that's all that came out. So I know my hair is like growing, it's healthy, like it feels moisturized still, like my hair feels good. I might need a little trim, but yeah, this is my curls after. Oh my god, I have like short hairs at the top, ignore those. But yeah, this is my curls after the takedown. My hair's kind of long, it like goes down my back when I have it in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna hit the shower, wash it, blow dry it, and braid it again. So here we go. The best shower, and I usually put a towel on my hair right after just to get the most of the wet off. It's still like pretty damp, but we're gonna blow dry it now. So Okay, so this is my hair post blow dry. It's quite large, but we gonna tame the beast, okay? Okay guys, I had something to do, but I'm back now and my hair looks a little different because I had to put it up and I have a little bit of makeup on, not too much, but we're gonna get started braiding that hair, okay? So let's get started. This is the gel I like to use. It's called Edge Booster and it's the gray one and it smells hella good. And I use a rat tail comb to part my hair, obviously. And to really lay my braids down, I use a toothbrush to dip in the gel and then, you know, lay it down. So I'm gonna use my rat tail comb and just go straight across. Honestly, I'm usually a perfectionist. Like if I'm doing somebody else's hair, I want it to be perfect, but on my own head, I can't really see that well. I have an extra mirror to like double check, but I just do it as good as it gets. I take my gel and kind of brush that first section down and then divide it into the 3 sections to braid with. And I just start braiding right away. Feels like a good start, so I'm gonna add in my first piece of hair. That's the end. I usually just leave a little bit. I don't braid it all the way down. Sometimes I do, like if I get bored, like end up finishing some of the braids, but that's the first braid. It's pretty good. I'll get back with you guys when I do a couple more so you can see the progress. But yeah, that's how I braid my hair. It's knotless and I like ombre just because I like to have some color, especially with the warmer seasons coming up. I think it adds a nice light feel. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm in the home stretch. I got 2 more little buns left. That means I have 4 to 6 braids left to go. If you get braids normally, you know what I mean. Like, you don't know how many is left until you're like parting it and like doing it. So I'm gonna say 4 to 6 left. But this is what it's looking like. Looks good. From the back. Like I said, I like mine really long, so it goes past my butt, which is perfect for me. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I finished my hair. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. I'll definitely be posting more content that has to do with hair and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!